Hello friends, day 21, which by my reckoning means I'm 3 weeks into my 5-month or so schedule, and more stunning views as you can see behind me here. So in 3 weeks I've come from Land's End all the way up into the southern part of Wales on Offa's Dyke Path. I got up at 5:30 this morning, walked 5 miles down into Monmouth to meet up with my friends Jonathan and Jacqueline, and we had a really nice breakfast in Monmouth. I sorted out a bit more food from the shops and then set off up into the hills here. It's really stunning. I'm really enjoying my trip, and well, you can see this is my view tonight, looking out over the Welsh hills. You can't get much better than that, can you? Let's have a look at some of today's views.